In this video, I'm going to show you 3 hacks to save you more money. So let's get into it. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicky Sujadi. I create relatable and empowering contents like this. So if you like more of these contents like personal developments or personal finance, please do consider subscribing because that is what this channel is going to be about. Holy shit, I'm just wrapping this whole shit. Alright. Anyways, today I want to show you 3 hacks of how you can save more money. Alright. So the first hack that I want to share with you is to save before you spend. This hack comes from a legendary investor himself, Warren Buffett. He said in the quote, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Alright, when I came across this quote, that actually shook me a lot because I was the latter guy. Since young, we usually save by spending, and then when we have a change in terms of coins, we usually put that change in the piggy bank. So I guess that is where the intuition of saving after you spend comes from. But what he said is such a game changer. When I tried this method, which is to save before I spend, I can make a very regular and consistent saving throughout for every single month. That means that it's not where I see and depend on which month where I will have more spending and therefore I will save less, and I have less spending and therefore I will spend more. There will be these fluctuations of savings if you don't actually save first before you spend. So really do take note on this and try this out for first few months, and I can guarantee you it is actually a huge game changer. Let's move on to the second hack. The second hack is to pick the best savings account. So this is actually a topic that I have touched on in my previous video, which you can find here, which is to find the best savings account. And in a nutshell, is to make sure that there's high interest rates. These interest rates cannot be introductory rates, okay? This high interest rate has to be continuous, and make sure that there is no fees involved. There's no deposit fee, there's no withdrawal fee or nonsense fees, okay? No such thing. So those are the rule of thumb to find that best savings account. Do check it out, my previous video, if you want to get full information of how you can find the best savings account. This is actually crucial steps because this is where the foundation of your savings are going through. Imagine the savings or the amount that you have are like the seeds. You want to make sure that you plant your seed at the right soil. And the soil is where the saving accounts actually grow at. Right? So you do have to take a bit of time and research to find the best savings account, to find that best soil. And once you've done your research, you can just plant it and wait. And then it will just grow on its own and your savings tree grow and you just save more money in general, okay? And this comes to the third hack. And this third hack actually piece the first hack and the second hack together. And this is to automate your savings. You know you need to save before you spend, and now you know where you can save at. How you piece these two together is that you automate it by making sure that it regularly transfers that amount that you want to save at the start of every single month. Or what I did is to actually transfer it at the first day that I got my first paycheck. You just need to make sure that this is an automatic process. That means you don't have to personally go into your bank account and actually do the transfer every single month. That might take a bit of discipline and put a bit of thoughts at the back of your mind. So you want to make sure that it's automated so that you don't really have to do anything for you to save first before you spend and for you to actually make that high interest rate. Okay, and here's what I usually do. My paycheck usually comes every fortnight, and I know it comes every Tuesday fortnight around the night time, right? So I always automate my transfer on the Wednesday itself to transfer that amount that I want to save to my savings account. And that means that every single fortnight, it will transfer that same amount to the savings account and I don't have to do anything at all. Okay, I will naturally save before I spend because the moment I got the paycheck, it takes a portion out of it to my savings account. So I know that I only can spend this amount that is left. And these 3 hacks, if you piece it up together, it can really save you a lot of money and gives you good discipline to actually save the money that you have always wanted to. So these are the 3 hacks. Firstly, it's to save before you spend. Secondly, is to pick the best savings account there is. I have a video on that, do check that out. And thirdly, is to automate that transfer and piece these hacks together. Okay, that is it for this video. If you find value, please do give a thumbs up. And if you like more of these relatable contents, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace!